iPhone, how to organize screen. To organize your iPhone home screen, you can follow these steps here. So on your iPhone here, you can simply move apps around. So if you see here, so you'll be able to, for example, if you tap and hold this page here, you will see these apps wiggle here. So you can simply move around the apps. So if you click on an app, you can simply drag it to move it anywhere around, and then you can also move it to different pages as well. So if you drag it all the way to here, then you can see that it's being moved to other pages as well. So so likewise, you can simply move around and organize it based on your preference, or how you want it to be. So you can do that. And also you can create folders. So for example, to create folders, you just have to tap and hold an app and then drag it on top with another app here. So drag it on top of another app here, and that will create a folder. So if you just leave it there, then there you go, a folder has been created. So if you tap that folder, you can now change the name of this folder. If you hit on the name, you can simply change it. So you can change that, and in that way, so you can group for apps into folders, create folders, and then group it to them, so they look more organized. You can do that. So that's one way of organizing. And also you can as I mentioned earlier, you can move apps to different pages. So if you want to, you can move across different pages, and also you can move the pages around as well. So if you click on these, once you click on this edit option here, you will go to edit pages. So here you can also move around the pages here to up and play around based on your preference or how you want it to be. So you can just do that as well. And apart from that, what else you can do is, if you can also, if you go all the way to the end of your home screen, you will go to this Apple library here. So you can easily use this Apple library, because this Apple library, what it does is it automatically sorts your apps based on categories. So as you can see, you have social, utilities, photos and videos, so different categories here. So if I click on it, and all those apps will be all those apps belonging to one category will be here. So it will be grouped up. So this is this is done by default through the app library feature on iPhone. You can use that, and then you can simply search for any apps here. So under the app library, you can simply search for it. If you just type an app, it will pop up, and in that way you can easily access it. And also you can use widgets. So for example, when you tap and hold your screen, when you get to the edit mode here, when your apps start to wiggle, so if you hit on edit, you'll see this add widget option here. So click on add widget. So here you can search for any widgets, or you can add whatever widget that you want to add. So for example, let's say Spotify. So I want to add a Spotify widget. So select that, and I want to add my recently played list here. And then what I'm going to do is simply hit on add widget, and you can see that the Spotify appears as a large widget on my screen here. So this makes me easily accessible to it. It's easy to spot on my home screen here. So also you have these dock options here. So also you can place like your most accessible or most frequently used apps here under the dock. So to do that, you can simply click and bring it down here. Whatever apps that's most important or accessible to you, you can leave it on your dock. So for that, you can easily access it. By using these techniques, you can create a more organized and customized iPhone screen. And I hope this video and information was helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.